back. It's been about 25 minutes, and let's check on those brownies. They smell good, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
They look good, don't they? Well, you let them cool, but
For how long?
until they get cool.
For how long is that?
15, 20 minutes,
Okay.
maybe. Well, I can't wait 15, 20 minutes. So, like Rick said earlier, we made some a couple days ago. I'm going to taste test it now. And we have 2 right here. And this is what they look like after you break it open. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yum, yum, huh? I think it's taste test time. What do you think, Rick?
Oh, absolutely.
Let's taste the bite. Really good. You can taste the hint of coconut. And definitely the cocoa. It's really good. And with that, we also like to thank our subscribers again for subscribing to us.
Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and bell notification for upcoming videos.
That is true. And I hope that you would make these and hope you enjoy them. And like we said earlier, you can make them for Super Bowl. And with that said, peace out.